everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. So as you can see up here, we got a whole junction box with a whole bunch of wire. Well, the one that I'm talking about was basically a box with wire passing through it, which you can't really see, but it's like a probably 120-foot run of THHN number 10s with 6 circuits in there, so there's 13 total THHN wires in there. That was the middle run. That wasn't even the longest run. Maybe it was like 190 to 100 or 110, but we did a longer run. And then we pulled it into this box, and then we pushed it through over to this other box like 20 feet away on the wall, because that's where the home run needed to be, but there was too much bend in the pipe, so we had to do a junction spot to reset the 360 degrees of pipe. So we got the wire pulled into over there, and then from there, the longest run that we started out with at the beginning of the day was right here, which was above the rack, which was in a really inconvenient spot. But anyways, we got that pulled in. This was the one that was like 130 feet right here, 140 feet. And this one had 15 number 10s in there, so 7 circuits with a ground. So we got that one pulled in. That one took a while. And those all come back to this closet right here. So the room that I was just in was to the left in that white containment area, and it comes over to this closet. And there was actually 3 of them, these 3 pipes that go into the gutter, and we pulled all 3 of those in today. And the third one you'll see here in a second. But at the beginning of the day, we started out by fishing in the strings. So we took a fish tape. I took a fish tape and I pushed it through these 3 pipes, pulled in strings, and then tied the wire onto those strings later. And the third pipe goes through the back of the panel wall right here. And all 3 of these, as you can see, 90. And then one of them turns down right here. So this one's only like 20 to 40 feet right here. And the other 2 just keep going straight through this room, and then through the hallway, through the other room, and then they 90 left across the hallway above the ceiling into that containment area that I was just in. So this is the inner waiting area, and the other area is the PEDS flex area. So went ahead and got all 3 of those in today, so that felt really good, and that's really all that we worked on today. So I was kind of just feeding in the wire into the boxes, lubing them up, and my coworker was pulling off the wire and had another guy over at the panel pulling in the wire, and another guy helping him out and stuff, running the drill and stuff like that. So anyways, a really successful day. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.